What is going on, guys? Justin OVO Update back again with another video, and today we're going to be getting into the OVO mask review. Now these are the version 2 masks. I'm going to show you guys the differences between the old one and the new ones, and we got all the colors to unbox for you guys today. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Now, as you guys know, a few weeks ago OVO did end up dropping some more masks, and they came in olive, tan, gray, and they also did a restock of the black colorway. Now they're all still available on the website, so if you did want to grab some, go ahead. It is also free shipping this week only. So go to the site, grab your mask, because very soon you'll have to pay that $15 shipping, which is almost a whole mask in itself. Anyways, let's get into this package. Open up the mask. So just reaching in to the bag, we got the receipt. We got gray, vine, and sand coming in at $22 each, a total of $91. I did have to pay that shipping. Really kind of wish I waited out and got the free shipping for this week. Anyways, let's get into why we are here. The mask, taking them out one at a time. We got the gray mask. This one looks pretty nice in person. Very, very light gray, very nice. Let's put that to the side and get the next. We got the olive, the vine. This one is really, really nice. This one is actually my personal favorite out of the new colors. Here is the vine. And last but not least, we have the sand as well. Let me know which one you guys like out of the three. Definitely leaning towards the vine, the sand, and then probably the gray last. Unfortunately, I didn't get any Santa stickers, but I do know they're giving some out in some orders, so stay on the lookout in case you're lucky enough to get one. So let's start off with the olive mask. As you can see, made in Canada. We got the same owl patch right there, and of course on the back we have the barcode. We got the tagging right here, show you guys how to wash it, and let's just get straight into it. So taking it on out, as you can see, it's the nice black material right here, and straight off the bat, this is how you could tell the difference between the version 2 and the version 1. I'm not too sure if you guys could tell from the video, but the quality on the back is completely different from the actual first mask. So I'm gonna grab the V1 and show you what it looks like. Alright, so let's get into the differences between the two. Now the new one, as you can see right here, the inside is a lot different than the old one. You could actually see the material. You can see how the quality actually changed quite a bit. So these old ones are 75% polyester and 25% cotton, and you can see that on the inside for itself. And the new ones are actually 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So quite a difference. I'm gonna put these on my face and see how they feel, the difference between the two. I'm actually very curious to see why they actually switched it up and decided to change the inside, because honestly, this one was perfectly fine and is honestly my favorite mask I own. But anyways, let's take out the sand and get a good look for that one as well. So here is the sand colorway, very nice. I like how the colors they use can go with a lot of OVO outfits. The black, the white, the gold, and some of the monotone colors. Very, very nice. Let's get some of these detailed shots. As you can see, the tab, very nice with that nice stitching. Of course, made in Canada. Alright, and last but not least, we have the gray mask. Let's crack this one open as well. And they all have the same backing, just for reference. Same backs on all of them. So let me know which one is your favorite down below. Of course, we have the metal wiring on the inside as well, so that goes around your nose very nicely. May definitely be a hard pick for you guys to choose which color you like the best, but out of the new ones, it's olive, sand, and then the gray for me. But of course, the black's gotta remain undefeated. Goes the best with every outfit. So quickly, I'm gonna try on the new mask and the old one and give you guys a comparison and let you know which one I do like better.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I just tried both of them on now, and honestly, this one has a much softer feel to your face. It sits a little bit more comfortable, but I'm not too sure if that's because I've worn this one a lot more. But this one honestly is a bit more breathable and gives you a lot more room. It's not like you're breathing into like a heavy cotton. So very interesting why they switched it up. I'm gonna give this one some good use over time, and maybe I'll give you an update on how I like the new inside better. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.